Welcome to a quick section of Microsoft Excel as an introductory series in 5 minutes or less. This topic is for users who have no previous knowledge of Excel. We will cover range, we will talk about cell, row, columns in a worksheet. We will fill the range with values. We will talk about the dragging technique. We'll go over examples of patterns and autofill. We will for sure format the cells, work with the row, height, color, font. We will copy, paste, insert, and delete the data. To begin, we have an open worksheet with no data in it. Here, we talk about a cell. A cell is one unit within this worksheet. This will contain our data. Each cell has an address. So this is part of column B, row 2. So this is B2. To select any cell, go to that particular column and row and click on it. So right now we are going to select C3. So I move my cursor to C, column C and row 3, and I click on it, and I have selected cell C3. The downward arrow of the gray header represents our columns. So this is A, B, C, D. These are our columns in Excel, and these are rows. 1, 2, 3. These with the horizontal lines are the rows in Excel. A range of cells is a collection of different cells, say from B3 to B9 in this case, and they form a range. We will fill a range with values, say 2. I will go by, just do a regular 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm adding these numbers to the spreadsheet by pressing my enter or a return key on my keyboard. So I go to the particular cell, I type in my data, and I press in the return key. We would now, there is a pattern to my data here. It is increasing by one number every time. If I select the complete range of my data, at the bottom I see a prominent blue spot. I take my cursor to that spot and drag the data down. That will autofill my range, autofill my spreadsheet with the numbers in the pattern that I have chosen. Say here I have 2, 4, 6, 8, and I know it's to autofill it, I just drag my data down and it will add 2 to every consecutive number and add to it. Say I'm working with dates here. Say I start with March 14th, 2018, and I would like to go down, and it will autofill the dates, consecutive dates for me in the spreadsheet. So here that's an example of pattern and autofill with using the dragging technique. Here, for example, now you want to insert, you would like to insert a row. But before you do that, you want to make your rows a little bit bigger. You can go individually and change the height of the row, or you can select the whole spreadsheet and uniformly have your spreadsheet change the height. So you would select all at the center, at the intersection of rows and headers, and bring the height of any one of the columns to the height you're looking for, and it'll auto format it for you. It's the same thing. Say you just want to change the column width on just these 2 columns. Select the 2 columns, drag the drag the width of the column to the size you're looking for, and it will change the width for you. Now, I would like my data in my first column to be highlighted in yellow. The second column, say in green. I would go to where my colors is and pick a green. And my dates, say I want my first few dates to be in font red. Then I would select my range of data and click on the color, or you could change it to say maybe purple. So that was it. In 5 minutes, quick introduction to Excel. Questions, comments, please leave them below, and please click and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. So that was it. In 5 minutes, quick introduction to Excel. Questions, comments, please leave them below, and please click and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.